future hold close, for a time will come. Deep in your heart there's a river that flows all the way to kingdom come. Through the sandstorms where the high wind blows, desert rose does bloom. Please help me give the young a chance. Lead them in the dance, my people. Give the young a chance to change their circumstance. And so, it's written, as the moon shall turn the tides, and as the stars shall light your right. Don't listen to the words of fools, the young, I know they are the Jews. Deeds I've done, what I'll become, treasures I will find. Nourishment I do receive, can't help but believe. The road is long, I shall stay strong. Please hear my song, help me give the young a chance. Lead them in the dance, my brothers. Give the young a chance. Lead them in the dance, my sisters. Give the young a chance to change their circumstance. And so, it's written, as the moon shall turn the tides, and as the stars shall light your right. Don't listen to the words of fools, the young, I know they are the Jews. To gardens where birds will sing lullabies. Find me in the shade of trees, through gentle breeze, sweet scents fill the air. Give the young a chance, lead them in the dance, my people. Give the young a chance, lead them in the dance, my people. Give the young a chance, change their circumstance. And so, it's written, as the moon shall turn the tides, and as the stars shall light your right. Don't listen to the words of fools, the young, I know they are the chosen. As the moon shall turn the tides, and as the stars shall light your right. Don't listen to the words of fools, the young, I know they are the Jews. Ooh.